Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix an issue that I was having in Mozilla Firefox. The issue was happening that when I opened Mozilla Firefox, it was just flashing until it eventually loaded for me. And this was how I fixed it. Full disclosure, I did run across this solution by just typing the symptoms I was having into Google's AI and just kind of trying the different things until I found the solution that worked. But in my case, the solution that worked was to disable hardware acceleration, and I'm going to show you how to do that in case you're having the same issue. This is how you fix that particular problem if your and my underlying cause was the exact same. But I'm going to show you the issue that I was having from off the bat. If you click on this, you will notice that Firefox just kind of sits there and loads and loads and loads. Sometimes it may open, sometimes it may not. But we're going to give it a few seconds to see if it loads. Okay, we're going to wait about 10 seconds. And it did eventually load for me, but I'm going to show you what to do if it flat out won't load for you and you don't know what to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to close Firefox. And it's starting to open, but let's pretend that we couldn't get it open at all. What I would recommend doing in that case is starting Firefox in something called troubleshooting mode, and that by default turns off hardware acceleration, which was what was causing the issue that I was having to begin with. So what you're going to want to do is hit Shift on your keyboard, and then you're going to hit the Firefox icon right here. It's going to open up. It says open up Mozilla Firefox in troubleshooting mode. You want to hit open, not refresh Firefox, because then you're going to be in a world of trouble. But you're going to want to hit open instead of refresh, because refresh will delete a whole bunch of settings and things just to kind of reset Firefox to normal, but you're going to lose a whole bunch of your data and bookmarks in the process. So just hit open instead and put it on my second screen. So I'm going to drag it back over just a second. You will notice from there that it opened this time with no hesitation, no issues whatsoever, because hardware acceleration is disabled by default when you're in troubleshooting mode. But I'm going to show you how to turn that off manually so that hardware acceleration won't be used when you just regularly launch Firefox, which is what fixed the issue for me. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to these three horizontal marks right up here. We're going to go down to Settings. We're going to scroll under General right up here. We'll scroll down to where it says Performance, which is right here. It's right under where it says Firefox Updates under General. So how I went there is I went to Settings, Settings, General, and then we scroll down to where it says Performance right here. What you're going to want to do is uncheck these two things, use recommended performance settings, and then use hardware acceleration. You're going to make sure that that's unchecked as well. That second box does not become available until you uncheck the first one, so make sure that both of those boxes are unchecked under performance. Go ahead and close the browser, and then we're going to relaunch again. And you will notice that this time the browser comes up without any issues, without any of that stuttering that you originally saw. That's because we disabled hardware acceleration. Now, once again, as I said, this is not a guaranteed fix. This is just the fix that worked for me. But I hope that you found some use in it, particularly if you were having this issue. And I hope everyone has a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.